Hi everybody, it's me Sissy back with a little tiny Dollar Tree haul. One great thing that I found at Dollar General. Now what's the name of that store? Yes, Dollar General. I always collect General Dollar, but anyway, and I've got some friend mail. I'm going to start with the friend mail. So first a shout out to Lisa from Lisa and Will Hauls. I'm going to put a link to her channel below. She does some great Dollar Tree stuff too, and she has a lot of products and stuff. But anyway, check out her channel. She sent me the cutest Halloween card. I'm sorry I'm just now getting to mention it, but it was really cute and I loved it. It was so cute. It's on my desk at work. I still have it sitting there. But thank you, Lisa, so much. And I got another package, and this is a friend this is the second time she's sent me something, but she never sends her name. She just says she's a subscriber. Whoever you are, thank you so much. And she sent me the cutest little oven mitt with the red truck on it. Isn't that adorable? I think this may have come from Dollar General. I'm not sure, but it is so cute. And it's got little cookie mix in it, so I'll just love it. So thank you so much. And she sent me a bunch of stickers, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with all of them. But and she sent me a sweet little letter. So it's really sweet. So, and it's got the little journal with some sticky pads on it. That's really cute. The stickies are leaves, so that's cute. And of course, coffee stickers. And some gardening stickers and flowers and more flowers and these cute jeweled stickers. So, but anyway, that's my friend mail, and I'm just thrilled to get it. And thank you so much, whoever you are. Next time, just send me a card or send me a message and tell me it's you and what your name is, so I can put a name to the great gift. So, but thank you so much. But anyway, let's get to my little tiny haul. I'm trying to kind of scale back on what I'm buying at Dollar Tree to use up the supplies that I've already got stockpiled. My craft room is a complete and total wreck. Oh, it was my alarm clock going off. This was from yesterday. I have a terrible time with insomnia lately, and I got up and I'm dressed and ready to go to work, and I was like, well, I still got like 2 hours before I'm supposed to be there, so why don't I go ahead and film this Dollar Tree haul and get it put up so I can get on to the next thing. But so anyway, that's what I'm doing. And I have two things. These are from Dollar Tree, but I didn't get them. My sister got them for me. These two cute llamas, aren't they adorable? So I'm going to put those up on my wall at work with I'm making a llama wall, y'all, at work. They kind of let me decorate my office the way I want to. So some of you may have seen my last craft video with the nativity scene on it. This is kind of the card that inspired me. I love this. I wish I could find another card that had more of things like this on it. I think there's some more shadow box things I could do. So next time I go in Dollar Tree, I'm kind of look at the Christmas cards and see what we can do and make from them, in case you don't have a Cricut, because I know everybody doesn't have a Cricut. But if you can get a Cricut and you're crafty and you want to craft, Cricut is a great thing. You can do so much with it. I picked up some of the little cooking concept spoons, and I'm just going to tell you, when you buy these, look at them. I didn't notice this one, but you look there, the wire and the handle is already poked through. So I've got to decide if I'm going to probably keep this for my craft supply, my craft room, and put this one in my kitchen. Because I hate to take stuff back, y'all. I just hate to take it back. And I did find one thing that I was searching for. I found some of the red truck ribbon. I wish I could find a couple more rolls of this, but I'm gonna portion this out and make it work. I found two of the buffalo check placemats. I got these for my little kitchen table. I think they'll be cute for Christmas, and they'll still go with my kitchen. And I picked up two of these canvases, just the blank canvases. I got a project in mind for them, and I hope it works. And let's see, I know I just showed you, my sister sent me the two. Well, great minds think alike, because I found this one too. But I'll keep this one at home and take the other one to my office. But I just love those little llama pictures. They have some really, really pretty artwork right now in Dollar Tree. I got one of these light up Christmas trees in the white. This is so cute. The only thing is the bottom down here is not as pretty as the top, so I'm gonna see if I can fix that, because I got this to go on a tiered tray. And I got some of this spackling. I saw somebody did a YouTube video about how to use this to make faux icing on pretend cupcakes. So I was like, well, that's cool. I'm going to try that. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I just thought it was cool. So you may see a video on that. And then I picked up a few AA batteries and some poopy bags for my pups. And since I can't find a red truck sign, I got this little car sign with the Christmas tree on it that you're supposed to color with these markers, but I'm going to try to paint it and see what I can do. But I might make it blue like my little car. My little car is kind of a blue-black color, so then it can be me with my Christmas tree. And then I picked up the red truck gift tag sign, so I love that. Now, I'm going to show you the thing that I found at Dollar General. Now, they have a big selection, too, at Dollar General of dollar ornaments. So, they have a lot of dollar stuff in there. So, I think I'm going to start checking in there for my crafts and stuff. I think everybody has access to a Dollar General, too. They're everywhere. I know they're everywhere here. I must have 20 of them here in my little town. Well, not 20, y'all. 6 or 7. But it seems like everywhere I look, they're building them. But I found this cute red truck, like the front of the red truck sign driving down the road. So I think this is adorable. I'm going to kind of zhuzh this wreath up here because it's kind of flat. I mean, yeah, kind of flat. And this is going to be, I'm going to use this on a Christmas wreath coming up. I just can't decide. Oh, I just noticed that there's a Christmas tree up there. I don't know what, the star's kind of loose. I might have to glue that back. But that's really cute. I can't decide whether the wreath's gonna be mesh or something else or burlap. But anyway, I want to work all that out. I am gonna get that video up because I'm gonna get my wreath up. And then I found this. Now this is $2, which is a little more than I wanted to pay. But it's these little festive figures. The tiny, I know they have some larger ones in Dollar Tree, but I needed something really small, and that's a really quick and easy DIY that's coming up. It should be right after I get my Thanksgiving ones up, which I'm going to do this week. So I'm going to do 2 Thanksgiving things, boom, and then it's going to be Christmas till Christmas. So, but anyway, this is really cute. It's got 2 little snowmen, 4 Christmas trees, and 2 little reindeers, or deers. Look at the little deers, are so cute. But anyway, that's coming up. And that's it. That's my quick little Dollar Tree haul. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to clean this up and get ready for work. And I'll hope to see you this afternoon when I'm working on a DIY. But anyway, oh, excuse me. I still got that little cold thing going on, y'all. And the weather here is getting cold. I said by this weekend it's going to be like 30 degrees. I can't believe it because it was 80 degrees 2 days ago. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And a shout out, thank you to all my new subscribers. My channel's getting bigger and I'm just amazed. I'm continually amazed that anybody wants to watch what I'm doing. But y'all watching and you seem to like it. So stay tuned. I got more coming up. Have a great day. Bye.